difference between the fascism and Nazism ideologies and programs also. Fascist economy में क्या था? Mussolini's theory of a corporate state जो था needs a little elaboration. So in Italy में क्या था? The workers and the employers का अपना अपना अलग-अलग syndicates था. They had different syndicates. These were linked together by 22 national corporations. उस समय का यही स्थिति था. हाँ, the major industries था उससे, in which both the workers and the employees had equal representation. Each corporation का अपना managing body था, that is the council. Now these councils sitting together constituted the National Council of Corporations. The Central Committee of the National Council included all the fascist ministers को include करते थे. Mussolini himself was the head of this Ministry of Corporation का part था. National Corporation जो था were supposed to make rules regarding wages, कितना घंटा काम करेंगे लोग, hours, conditions of work, everything. Now the theory of corporate state became a means through which Mussolini could exercise control. So this was the basis on which he controlled the entire Italian economy. But Nazi government का economy थोड़ा अलग था. क्या था? Nazi Germany में big industrial houses were allowed to continue, but they were brought under the control of the state. Raho, but you have to be under the control of the state. Wages and prices of all commodities were fixed. Neither factory owners could declare lockout, that is, they could not close their factories, nor the workers could go on a strike. एकदम allow करबे ना हिटलर. Hitler's racialist policies and hatred for the Jew वो भी एक difference था. क्या? Hitler said that Germany's defeat in the war was due to the fact that the Jews and the communists were never loyal to the country, according to him. Germany could never become strong and great unless and until these non-Germanic elements like the Jews had to be eliminated. The Nazis believed that the Germans, तुम्ही जानो, they were a master race, and the Jews were seen as fundamentally evil and disloyal. Hitler's attempt to kill the Jews resulted in the death of 6 million Jews, in Europe. People all over the world were shocked by these cruelties of Hitler. Mussolini কিন্তু অতটা cruel towards Jews नहीं था. Racialism was not a part of the fascist ideology, but মানে এর জন্য racialism was a big part for Nazi, but এর জন্য তা ছিল না for Mussolini. In Italy, the Jews held important posts था fascist party में. Jews का. Later Mussolini started adopting, by the influence of Hitler, he adopted the policy of racial hatred under the Nazi influence. But the core of fascist ideology was never a set of racial theories. Fascism was essentially an extreme form of nationalism, but Nazism was built largely on the basis of racialism.